Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, this time I'm going to show you some really cool options here regarding the fingerprint sensor on the back of the TCL 10L. Okay, so I'm just going to go into the settings and I'm going to go to security and fingerprint sensor. Okay, so here we have these really cool fingerprint options. So we have 5 of them. So clear all notifications. Double tap the fingerprint sensor to clear all notifications. So I'm going to enable this. The next option is take photo, video. Touch the fingerprint sensor to take a photo or video while in camera. So I'm going to turn that on. And the other option here is back to home screen. Long press the fingerprint sensor to go back to the home screen, except in the camera. The next option is pick up call. Touch the fingerprint sensor to pick up incoming call. And the last one is show notification panel. Slide down on the fingerprint sensor to show notification panel except in camera. So I'm going to enable this as well. So I'm going to go through them all and demonstrate how they work. But for these to work, you will first of all need to set up your fingerprint. So if you don't know how to set up the fingerprint, I will leave a link to the video in the description down below. Be sure to check that out. Get your fingerprint set up and then you can enable these and use these wonderful options. Okay, so the first one is clear all notifications. Double tap the fingerprint sensor to clear all notifications. In fact, wait a minute, I've got some notifications but I don't want to clear them yet. I'm going to start with this one first. Show notification panel. Slide down on the fingerprint sensor to show notification panel. So fingerprint sensor here on the back. So I'm going to swipe down on it and it should then show me my notifications. Bam. As you can see there, I can see I've got a notification there. And if I swipe back up on it, it sends the status bar along with the notification panels back up to the top there. And if I swipe down, it brings it back down. If I swipe up, it sends it back up. Okay, so I'm going to move on to this one now. Clear all notifications. Double tap the fingerprint sensor to clear all notifications. So let's try this. Double tap, bam, the notifications have gone, as you can see there. How cool is that? So the next one is take photo, video. So let's open the camera. Okay, so got my phone here. So when I tap on the sensor there on the back, it takes a picture. And if I select video, it starts the video recording when I touch the sensor on the back. And when I touch it again, it stops the recording. And here's the video what I've just recorded. Okay, so let's go back into the rest of these. Okay, so the next one is back to home screen. Long press the fingerprint sensor to go back to the home screen. So let's long press on it. Bam, back to the home screen. And this will work with any applications. So if I'm in the Play Store and I want to go back to the home screen, just long press on the fingerprint sensor and then back to the home screen there. If I'm on YouTube, long press on the fingerprint sensor, back to the home screen. If I'm in the music player, long press on the fingerprint sensor, back to the home screen. If I'm in my app drawer, long press on the fingerprint sensor and then back to my home screen. So that's really cool. Let's check out the rest. Okay, so pick up call. Touch the fingerprint sensor to pick up incoming call. So let's give this a try. So I'm going to call my phone. Okay, so if I press the fingerprint sensor, it has now answered. Well, that took a while to actually work, but it clearly works. So yeah, that was just my video showing you all these really cool fingerprint options on the TCL 10L. I'm guessing these options will also be available on the TCL 10 Pro. But yeah, I just thought I'd share these really cool options with you guys. And like I says, to actually get these working, you have to set up the fingerprint lock screen. Set up your fingerprint sensor on the lock screen to enable these features to work. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. You already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these options in the comment section down below. If you have the TCL 10 Pro, let me know if you have these options as well on your 10 Pro. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. If it's the first time you're watching my videos on YouTube, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video. Thank you very much for watching. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.